This video will look at all postgraduate programs offered at Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, as well as their entry requirements. To see a detailed description or the fees they charge, visit my website, patstune.org. Okay, now let's start by looking at their entry requirements. To read a master's program at KNUST, at the time of your application, you must have a good bachelor's degree or its equivalent from a recognized institution in a relevant field of study. Preference is given to candidates who have first class or second class, that is upper division or at least a lower division. Candidates who want to read PhD programs must have master's degree or its equivalent from a recognized institution and must submit evidence of adequate training and ability to undertake the proposed program. Now, without wasting time, let's look at all the programs offered at KNUST. Let's start by looking at all their Master of Arts programs. MA Asante History, Master of Architecture, MA Arts Education, Master of Business Administration, MA International Business, MA Chieftaincy and Traditional Leadership, MCom Design, Master of Laws, Master of Public Administration, MA Publishing Studies, MA Religious Studies, MA Social Work, MA Sociology, Master of Education, Master of Veterinary Science and Anatomy. Next, we look at all their Master of Education programs. MEd Science Education, MEd ICT Education, MEd Mathematics Education, MEd Educational Planning and Administration, MEd Higher Education Pedagogy, MEd Language Education and Literacy. Now, we look at all their Master of Fine Arts programs. MFA Ceramics, MFA Jewelry and Metal Smithing, MFA Painting, MFA Painting and Sculpture, MFA Sculpture. Next on our list are all their Master of Public Health programs. MPH Global Health, MPH Health Education and Promotion, MPH Occupational Environmental Health and Safety, MPH Health Systems Research and Management, MPH Health Services Planning and Management, MPH Population and Reproductive Health. Let's now look at all their Master of Philosophy programs. MPhil Accounting, MPhil Actuarial Science, MPhil African Arts and Culture, MPhil Agribusiness Management, MPhil Agric Extension and Development Communication, MPhil Agricultural Economics, MPhil Agronomy Crop Physiology, MPhil Agricultural Machinery Engineering, MPhil Agro-Environmental Engineering, MPhil Animal Breeding and Genetics, MPhil Animal Nutrition, MPhil Agronomy, MPhil Aquaculture and Environment, MPhil Architectural Studies, MPhil Arts Education, MPhil Biochemistry, MPhil Biotechnology, MPhil Biodata Analytics and Computational Genomics, MPhil Bioengineering, MPhil Chemical Engineering, MPhil Clinical Microbiology, MPhil Crop Science, MPhil Building Technology, MPhil Business and Management, MPhil Ceramic Technology, MPhil Chemistry, MPhil Chemical Pathology, MPhil Communication Design, MPhil Computer Engineering, MPhil Computer Science, MPhil Construction Management, MPhil Crop Science, MPhil Cybersecurity and Digital Forensics, MPhil Development Planning and Management, MPhil Development Studies, MPhil Development Policy and Planning, MPhil Ecology, MPhil Economics, MPhil Crop Science Entomology, MPhil Crop Protection Nematology, MPhil Agroforestry, MPhil Crop Protection Plant Pathology, MPhil Creative Arts Therapy, MPhil Applied Mathematics, MPhil Comparative Anatomy, MPhil Clinical Pharmacy, MPhil Crop Protection Plant Virology, MPhil Disability Rehabilitation and Development, MPhil Clinical Rehab and Exercise Therapy, MPhil Educational Innovation and Leadership Science, MPhil Silviculture and Forest Management, MPhil Clinical Pharmacology, MPhil Analytical Chemistry, MPhil Wood Science and Technology, MPhil Plant Breeding, MPhil Pure Mathematics, MPhil Mortuary Science and Management, MPhil Natural Resources and Environmental Governance, MPhil Nuclear Science and Technology, MPhil Nursing, MPhil One Health, MPhil Organic and Natural Products, MPhil Packaging Technology and Management, MPhil Parasitology, MPhil Pharmaceutics, MPhil Pharmacognosy, MPhil Pharmacology, MPhil Pharmaceutical Microbiology, MPhil Pharmaceutical Chemistry, MPhil Political Science, MPhil Physical Chemistry, MPhil Physiology, MPhil Planning, MPhil Plant Pathology, MPhil Plant Physiology, MPhil Polymer Science and Technology, MPhil Reproductive Physiology, MPhil Post-Harvest Technology, MPhil Power Systems Engineering, MPhil Procurement and Supply Chain Management, MPhil Project Management, MPhil Publishing Studies, MPhil Religious Studies, MPhil Renewable Energy Technologies, MPhil Reproductive Biology, MPhil Solid State Physics, MPhil Scientific Computing and Industrial Modeling, MPhil Procurement Management, MPhil Science Education, MPhil Social Work, MPhil Sociology, MPhil Soil and Water Engineering, MPhil Soil Science, MPhil Structural Engineering, MPhil Telecommunications Engineering, MPhil Textile Design Technology, MPhil Transport Systems, MPhil Vegetable Crops Production, MPhil Vision Science, MPhil Water Supply and Environmental Sanitation, MPhil Water Resource Engineering and Management, MPhil Watershed Management, MPhil Wildlife and Range Management, MPhil Integrated Arts, MPhil ICT Education, MPhil Information Technology, MPhil Human Nutrition and Dietetics, MPhil French, MPhil English, MPhil Educational Planning and Administration, MPhil Entomology, MPhil Environmental Chemistry, MPhil Environmental Physics, MPhil Environmental Resource Engineering, MPhil Environmental Science, MPhil Fashion Design Technology, MPhil Field Epidemiology and Applied Biostatistics, MPhil Finance, MPhil Fisheries Management, MPhil Food Science and Technology, MPhil Forensic Science, MPhil Food Crops Production, MPhil Geographic Information Systems, MPhil Geography and Rural Development, MPhil Geological Engineering, MPhil Geomatic Engineering, MPhil Geophysics, MPhil Geotechnical Engineering, MPhil Hematology, MPhil Health Systems Research and Management, MPhil Historical Studies, MPhil Human Anatomy and Forensic Science, MPhil Human Anatomy and Cell Biology, MPhil Management and Human Resource Strategy, MPhil Immunology, MPhil Integrative Pathobiology, MPhil Intellectual Property, MPhil Landscape Studies, MPhil Language Education and Literacy, MPhil Educational Innovation and Leadership Science, MPhil Logistics and Supply Chain Management, MPhil Material Science, MPhil Materials Engineering, MPhil Math and Computational Physics, MPhil Mathematical Statistics, MPhil Mathematical Education, MPhil Meat Science, MPhil Mechanical Engineering, MPhil Medical Imaging, MPhil Molecular Medicine, MPhil Meteorology and Climate Science, MPhil Microbiology, MPhil Food and Post-Harvest Engineering. Let's now look at all their Master of Sciences programs. MSc Information Technology, MSc Food Science and Technology, MSc Energy and Sustainable Management, MSc Environmental Sanitation and Waste Management, MSc Environmental Science, MSc Environmental Resource Management, MSc Facilities Management, MSc Finance, MSc Food Quality Management, MSc Food Science and Technology, MSc Forensic Science, MSc Geography and Sustainable Development, MSc Geomatic Engineering, MSc Geophysical Engineering, MSc Geotechnical Engineering, MSc Health Education and Promotion, MSc Health Services Planning and Management, MSc Health Systems Research and Management, MSc Health Informatics, MSc Hospitality and Tourism Management, MSc Management and Human Resource Strategy, MSc Insurance, MSc Industrial Finance, MSc Land Governance and Policy, MSc Strategic Management and Leadership, MSc Logistics and Supply Chain Management, MSc Marketing, MSc Mechanical Engineering, MSc Environmental Resource Management, MSc Occupational and Environmental Health and Safety, MSc Pharmaceutical Technology, MSc Physics, MSc Planning, MSc Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation, MSc Population and Reproductive Health, MSc Procurement Management, MSc Project Management, MSc Real Estate, MSc Security and Justice Administration, MSc Speech and Language Therapy, MSc Structural Engineering, MSc Educational Innovation and Leadership Science, MSc Transportation Planning, MSc Transportation Systems, MSc Water Supply and Environmental Sanitation, MSc Water Supply Engineering and Management, MSc Water Resource Engineering Management, MSc Water Engineering, MSc Accounting and Finance, MSc Actuarial Science, MSc Agribusiness Management, MSc Agri Extension and Development Communication, MSc Air Transportation and Aviation Management, MSc Applied Statistics, MSc Architecture, MSc Audiology, MSc Biodata Analytics and Computational Genomics, MSc Biotechnology, MSc Business Consulting and Enterprise Risk Management, MSc Business Economics, MSc Computer Science, MSc Construction Management, MSc Creative Arts Therapy, MSc Cybersecurity and Digital Forensics, MSc Business and Data Analytics, MSc Development Planning and Management, MSc Economics and Finance, MSc Economics, MSc Development Finance, MSc Anatomy, MSc Corporate Governance and Strategic Leadership, MSc Development Management, MSc Communication System and Network Engineering, MSc Clinical Nursing, MSc Clinical Pharmacy, MSc Development Policy and Planning. Finally, we look at all their Doctor of Philosophy or PhD programs. PhD Actuarial Science, PhD African Arts and Culture, PhD Agribusiness, PhD Agricultural Economics, PhD Agri Extension and Development Communication, PhD Agricultural Machinery Engineering, PhD Agro-Environment Engineering, PhD Agronomy, PhD Animal Biology, PhD Animal Breeding and Genetics, PhD Animal Nutrition, PhD Aquaculture and Environment, PhD Architecture, PhD Art Education, PhD Chemistry, PhD Biochemistry, PhD Biodata Analytics and Computational Genomics, PhD Bioengineering, PhD Biotechnology, PhD Building Technology, PhD Business and Management, PhD Ceramic Technology, PhD Actuarial Science, PhD Chemical Pathology, PhD Computer Engineering, PhD Computer Science, PhD Construction Management, PhD Crop Physiology, PhD Development Studies, PhD French, PhD English, PhD Ecology, PhD Economics, PhD Educational Planning and Administration, PhD Electrical Engineering, PhD Entomology, PhD Environmental Physics, PhD Environmental Sanitation and Waste Management, PhD Environmental Science, PhD Fashion Design Technology, PhD Fisheries Management, PhD Food Science and Technology, PhD Agroforestry, PhD Fruit Crops Production, PhD Geography and Rural Development, PhD Geological Engineering, PhD Geomatic Engineering, PhD Hematology, PhD Historical Studies, PhD Human Anatomy and Cell Biology, PhD Applied Mathematics, PhD Clinical Microbiology, PhD Clinical Pharmacology, PhD Clinical Pharmacy, PhD Food and Post-Harvest Engineering, PhD Wood Science and Technology, PhD Pharmaceutical Chemistry, PhD Visual Communication Design, PhD Information Technology, PhD ICT Education, PhD Plant Breeding, PhD Food Science and Technology, PhD Sustainable Energy Technologies, PhD Plant Entomology, PhD Limnology and Fisheries, PhD Silviculture and Forest Management, PhD Human Anatomy and Forensic Science, PhD Immunology, PhD Scientific Computing and Industrial Modeling, PhD Integrative Pathobiology, PhD Land Management and Governance, PhD Landscape Studies, PhD Law, PhD Organizational Leadership, PhD Materials Engineering, PhD Materials Science, PhD Mathematical and Computational Physics, PhD Mathematical Statistics, PhD Meat Science, PhD Mechanical Engineering, PhD Medical Imaging, PhD Meteorology and Climate Science, PhD Microbiology, PhD Nematology, PhD Nuclear Science and Technology, PhD One Health, PhD Painting, PhD Painting and Sculpture, PhD Parasitology, PhD Pharmaceutics, PhD Pharmacognosy, PhD Pharmacology, PhD Pharmaceutical Microbiology, PhD Social Pharmacy, PhD Planning, PhD Plant Pathology, PhD Plant Physiology, PhD Plant Virology, PhD Post-Harvest Technology, PhD Procurement Management, PhD Project Management, PhD Public Health, PhD Pure Mathematics, PhD Religious Studies, PhD Reproductive Biology, PhD Reproductive Physiology, PhD Sculpture, PhD Seed Science and Technology, PhD Language and Literacy Education, PhD Molecular Medicine, PhD Sociology, PhD Soil and Water Engineering, PhD Soil Science, PhD Solid State Physics, PhD Structural Engineering, PhD Mathematics Education, PhD Science Education, PhD Telecommunication Engineering, PhD Textile Design Technology, PhD Transport Systems, PhD Vegetable Crops Production, PhD Veterinary Anatomy, PhD Vision Science, PhD Water Resource Engineering and Management, PhD Water Supply and Treatment Technology, PhD Watershed Management, PhD Wildlife and Range Management. If you'd like to see other postgraduate programs offered at UCC, Legon and other universities in Ghana, click on the next playlist. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.